video, we take a look at another element that is capable of storing energy, and these are the inductors. An inductor is a passive element that can store electrical energy in the form of a magnetic field. An inductor can be constructed from a coil of wire that is wound around a core. The core can be made of iron, steel, plastic, or air. The inductor can be accessed from the ends of the wire, so these are the ends. Now sometimes we call an inductor a coil. When we pass a current through a coil, that coil produces a flux that is proportional to the amount of current that is passing through it. Exactly how much flux is produced is given by this formula, where L there is what is called the inductance of the coil, and N is the number of turns. Inductance is given by the unit henries. Inductance of the coil depends on the physical attributes of that coil and is given by this formula. So it is proportional to the square of the number of turns, the cross-sectional area of the coil, so this is the cross-sectional area, the length of the coil, so this is the length here, and the permeability of the environment where the flux exists. These are the symbols of an inductor. So here we have an inductor that has no core, or the core is simply air. Here we have an inductor that has an iron core, and here we have an iron core, and at the same time we can vary the inductance of that inductor. If the current is increasing, the voltage across an inductor is plus facing the current that flows through it, while if the current is decreasing, the negative sign of the voltage across the inductor is facing the current. These are actual pictures of inductors. So here we have what we call toroids, where it is capable of handling higher current. We also have this that looks like a resistor. Now these inductors are fixed inductors, so meaning the inductance cannot be varied, while here these are inductors that we can vary the inductance. There are several applications of inductors. The power supplies found in our appliances and even in our gadgets, they use inductors. Transformers that change voltage levels also use inductors. Small inductors can also be found in radio, TV, and radars. And our refs and fans at home contains motors that use coils.